Hi, it's Tom from Roywood Transits. In front of us and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit. This is a 350. It's an L3H3, so long wheelbase, high roof. 6-speed automatic, 170 PS engine. Front wheel drive, so a bit more space than you would get on the rear wheel drive version. Excellent condition inside and out. This van was registered 1st of March 2021 and comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty for 3 years from that date, or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. It also comes with 1 year of Ford Assist from the same date. It's a limited series, an Ice Pack 25 in this van. So lots of driver assists, which I will run through in a minute. Parking sensors, front and rear. Alloy wheels, magnetic grey. This is a Euro 6.2. A stainless steel high security door lock can be upgraded by us for the cost of £150. Bi-xenon headlights, heated mirrors, cornering fog lights, chrome surrounds for the limited series. Inside the back, you've got the easy wash floor, you've got your tie downs, full metal bulkhead, grab handle, and upgraded LED lighting. And as it's an L3H3, a massive amount of space. So just under 3.5 meters of load length. And as it's front wheel drive as well, just over 2.1 meters of internal height. And 100 doors, which can be locked when they're in the 90-degree position. Inside the cab is in excellent condition. You've got your dual passenger seats with a fold down table. Ten-way adjustable driver seat with lumbar. Power folding mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running, those are the bi-xenons. You get automatic rain sensing wipers, voice activation when your phone is connected through Bluetooth. You've got the cruise control, speed limiter, automatic locks, so just the 2 pedals. Then up here you've got your AC, you've got the heated windscreen, the heated mirrors, and you've got quick clear and quick cool. And here you have the Ford Sync entertainment system, so a blend of touchscreen and physical buttons. Connect your phone through USB, you can then access Android or Apple CarPlay. Now this van is also fitted with Ice Pack 25, and that includes navigation and the driver assists. So you've got pre-collision assist with active braking, traffic sign recognition, lane keeping system plus lane aid system, driver alert, and cruise control, both adaptive and intelligent. So in conclusion and for sale today here at Roywood Transits, here we have a Ford Transit fitted with Ice Pack 25 L3H3 limited series. Very well spec'd, excellent condition inside and out. 170 PS front wheel drive, automatic. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.